Okay, class, for this program, we're going to be creating the coinToss program. This is the first time that we started introducing random variables in our programs. Up until this point, we've just been incrementing the variable by 1 using the buttons on the microbit. But now what we're going to do is we're going to create a random variable so that we're essentially flipping a coin. So the way we do this, of course, we start off here on makecode.microbit.org. And then first thing we're going to do is start a new project. We're going to call it the coinToss project that we have. And then on here, we are going to get rid of the loop. We don't really need the forever loop. There will become a point that we'll use the forever loop, but we're not going to do it just yet. So the first thing we do is we make a variable. This variable is going to be our coin, the thing that we're going to be flipping. And when we start the program, we can put a comment on here, and we can say coin toss by Mr. Twining. This program will flip a coin when you push a button or shake. And date is the 9th of September. Okay, so we've created the variable, we've put in a comment. At the beginning, we're just going to display something that just says show number 0. So just the beginning, we start off with 0, so we know that it started, it's done something. Now, you can either decide I want to flip the coin when I push a button, or I can do flip the coin when I shake. For the ease of using the microbit instead of trying to get shake to do something, we're just going to do it as button A pressed. So if I push the button A, then what I want to do is I want to assign a number to the coin toss or the coin variable. So here I'm going to set coin to 0. But I don't want it to be 0. I want it to be a random number between 0 and 1. So I want it to be either 1 or 0, but I want it to randomly pick that. So I'm going to have to go to math to get myself a thing here that says pick random. So when I do this, it's going to give me either a 1 or a 0. Now, I have to figure out which one was it. And I have to display something based on what the value is that it came up with. So to test, I need a conditional to find out if it was something, then do one thing, else you're going to do something different. So if and else is this kind of statement here. We're going to put it in after we've set the coin to random 0 or 1. So if the condition inside here is true, then you're going to do something else, you're going to do something else. So we need a comparison, which is also under logic, and we're going to compare the value of coin, because we just set the coin to something. It's either 0 or 1. So we're going to say if the coin here is equal to 0, then we're going to display heads. If it's equal to 1, then we're going to display tails. Or we could do it vice versa. If it's equal to 0, display tails. If it's equal to 1, then show heads. I don't really care. You just pick something. So you're going to show two different things. If you want to use the icons that they've given you, then you can use those. If you want to make your own, then you can make your own heads and tails. Some people have done H and T to kind of differentiate and show the difference. I like using the icons because I think it's cool to find a little picture. So, of course, if we do show heart at each of them, we're never going to really see anything different. I can push A all day long, and it's always going to show heart. So we're going to do something. We're going to say if it's heads, then we're going to show the smiley face. And if it's tails, then we're going to show the frowny face. Okay, so on my program here, start, it shows 0, and then I'm going to flip, and I get a heads, flip again, heads, flip again, get tails. And this is really all you got to do for the coin toss. You just keep flipping, and goes heads, tails. So We just are picking a random number, and then depending on which number it is that's picked, we're going to do one of two things: show the heads or show the tails. So once you've got this program done, you can publish the program. So you click on Share, and then you publish the project. And then we're going to copy this URL. And in Canvas, we're going to go to the assignment that was given on Friday, which was down here, coinToss. And we're just going to submit our program right there. So we're going to click on, oh, I'm not even in student view. Sorry, guys. So if I go to student view so that you guys can see what's going on, we're going to go to coinToss down here and submit assignment. And then in website URL, we're going to paste that link that we just copied and submit. And we're good to go. There's the coinToss program. I hope you guys were able to learn something about randomization through the use of this program.